Hello, this is Terry Black with Aon NFS, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about flood insurance. I think in many cases we think of flood insurance as something that happens on the coast only. However, we've seen over the past several years that inland flooding happens almost as much or more than what happens in coastal flooding. So don't ever take for granted that your home is not in a flood zone or in a flood area that has a potential for flood insurance needs. Anybody can get flood insurance. There's a misunderstanding in many people's minds that they cannot get flood insurance, but there's 22,000 participating communities, and if you're in one of those participating communities, you can get flood insurance. The other thing I want to talk to you about is the flood insurance gap that occurs in many places. So many people think that they have flood insurance in their homeowners product, and that's simply not a true case. Many people confuse that sewer and backup with flood insurance, and that's only for drains, tree roots, and things of that nature that cause water backup in a basement or a low area in your house. Whereas flood insurance covers water coming in from the outside. It can also cover heavy rain that just floods your local area, as long as there's been a 2 mile or 2 square miles of inundation, then it can cover that as well. The last thing I'd just like to say is many people think the federal government will provide assistance. Just got out of a seminar that told us that in Hurricane Harvey, it was $4,000 to $6,000 was the total amount. And many people had to get a second mortgage on their home that they will have to carry with them for 15 to 30 years. And so if they had had flood insurance, they would have been able to pay off the repairs for their home and not had to bear that. So just some things to keep in mind as we're in this hurricane season. Thanks a lot.